Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me a screenshot. When they're tracing this, basically a signature maybe and a date, they get this and it's not there. I guarantee it's probably still there after you're through. I don't know if you hit OK, but it might still be there, and then you can always go left click, right click, and put an outline. But he sent it to me this size, and this is 41 inches. So I reduced it in size, and I've done it all three ways, and it comes out really good. But what I did, I took the original, and this is a kind of a hard one because it's like it's on a texture. So I converted to a grayscale, and then I converted to black and white. So to do that, just take that item, go up to bitmap, convert to black and white, and you get that. Now I'm going to, and see, this thing is still, it's still almost, it's 3.5 inches. Then I'm going to go to trace bitmap, outline, trace clip art. And it should help it trace a little bit. I'm going to actually group it by color and then say, okay. I should be able to grab the black and move it out of the way. And it worked for all cases. Now, there are some problems because there's some white, but because we grouped it by color, we can grab the item, go up to object, order, group and ungroup. And we can grab that white and it'll delete all that white. And I can actually take that and go up to object, group and ungroup, and then grab that part and delete it. Now I don't need the yellow box anymore. It's pretty clean, but it's jagged. So what I would do is take it and go left click, right click. To me, it's a little bit easier to see the nodes move. And then if you have X7 or above, you got the smoothing tool. I've set it on a 1/2 inch. You could actually set it a little bit smaller. That isn't too bad, but if you click on it, you can see how you can see the nodes. And I'm not trying to change the handwriting. I'm just trying to make it a little bit more. And I'm going to go down to like 0.25 because it's in my rate is at 56. You could lower it. I'm just trying to take out the roughness. Now you have to click on each individual letter and see the nodes. And I'm just like a millisecond of holding it down. We'll do that. So you click on the item just for a second. See, like there's a rough spot right there. And there's two ways you could do that one, but we're just going to take the smoothing tool. And see, that did change it. So what we can do, we can go back and take the shape tool and delete this node, and then take both these nodes and right click and turn them into a line, and we get that. Then I'd go back to the smoothing tool and just click on that and just take out the edges. Then I would left click black, right click no outline, so you just have the black. And that's pretty sharp. I'll send this to you. Well, I'll send both these. This one actually traces a little bit bigger, and you can pick. But please try it. Whenever I send somebody a file, I don't mind sharing the file, but I'd rather you try it and learn a little bit, and maybe you can even do a better job. And I'm going to just delete that one, and I'm going to put this more like that. You know what? I see something whenever you move something, I could see that not move. So I've got something there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.